drafting in our school. And today in this video, we're going to be with Charmin.
Hi guys, my name is Chrisandy Marcos. For today's vlog, let's go into drafting.
So, we start to our main gate, guys. So, ayan po ang aming main gate. Palabas po kami niyan. So, hindi na namin i-start sa pagpasok po. Then, makikita nyo po dyan yung kapaligiran. Then, welcome to National High School.
Tara tayo sa drafting. Guys, tara tayo sa drafting. This is the first painting. So cool. Yan guys. Yan yung isang or yan yung mga painting namin dito sa school guys.
Look at the beautiful
Wait lang ang black. Bakit black?
I'm going.
So yun guys, pupunta naman kami dun sa my gym. Yan, kasama ko si April. Let's go. So guys, dito na po tayo sa my gym. Tapos si April. Ito po yung aming gym. Ayan guys. Yung gym namin yan guys, sobrang lawak. Yan. So guys, next naman namin pupuntahan is yung labas ng aming school. Let's go. Guys, yung daan papunta sa labas ng aming school. Ito po yung SBM showroom.
So, this is the end of our vlog, guys. So, thank you for watching and God bless all. Sana na-appreciate nyo ang aming tour ng aming school. Thank you and God bless.